Hear the people laughing, smiling, being happy again. Ooh, at Christmas time.
Hello and welcome to day 3 out of my 25 days of Christmas. Today's look is inspired by the Coca-Cola polar bears. Please tell me I'm not the only one who remembers these. There was an advert a few years ago and they had little baby polar bears in them, and then they have them on t-shirts and all different Coca-Cola merch. I just love them, they're so cute, and I knew I had to do a look inspired by them this Christmas. Off camera I did my base makeup and blocked out my brows, and then I used the Rouge Cosmetics Teeny Weeny Micro Eyebrow Pencil and sketched out the design on my eyebrows. I then filled it in using the Snazaroo Sparkle Turquoise face paint. For my blusher I used the eyeshadow called Bedroom in the Makeup and Murder Crime Scene Trace Evidence Eyeshadow Palette Volume 1 Paint Chips. That is a mouthful. I do have a discount code with Makeup and Murder. It is in the description down below if you are interested. For highlight, I used the Ofra Nikki Tutorials collaboration highlighter called Glazed Donut. I applied this over my nose, a bit of my forehead, my cupid's bow, my cheekbones, my chin, just the normal places that I apply highlight. For the white fur in this look, I used the Snazaroo Clown White face paint. And I start painting the fur around the eyebrow section. This look is actually a recreation of Eyeliner Nicole on Instagram. I'll have her handle linked in the description down below. Once I was happy with the fur around my eyebrows, I started to paint some underneath my eyes. And then I paint the fur around my mouth and nose area. Then I go back to that Snazaroo face paint called Sparkle Turquoise and start to paint some blue hair strokes in amongst the fur around the nose and mouth. And then I do exactly the same thing with the fur underneath my eyes. I then get a black face paint by Snazaroo and fill in the nose, the line that goes from the nose to the top lip and the top lip. Using a pink Snazaroo brush pen, I fill in the bottom lip. I then go into the Colourpop Elsa palette and use the blue in that palette and start to blend it in the outer corner of the crease of my eye. I blend it out a little bit into the gap in between the brow and the fur underneath my eye as well. I then use the Colourpop liquid eyeliner in the shade Numero Uno and start to create a winged eyeliner. Using the Fenty Beauty Vivid Eyeliner in the shade Wet T-shirt, I'd start to create some shine marks on the nose and the lip area. For my eyelashes, I use the Baby Doll eyelashes in the style 730. Lastly, I put on a wig, and then I actually made these bare fluffy ears from the ends of some Christmas hats that I had left over that I didn't really want to use again. So just the fluffy balls at the end of a Christmas, like Father Christmas hat. I cut them off, put some clips on them, and put them on my head. So this is the final look. Please let me know what you think about it in the comments down below. And if you do like it, make sure to press that like button because it really helps me and my channel out. If you're interested, I have some discount codes in the description bar down below. Some for Colourpop, Morphe, Makeup and Murder, some contact lenses, eyelashes, all that jazz, even a photo book that I absolutely love. I have my own discount code for. Make sure you check them out in the description down below. They go from 10% to like 40% on one of the codes because I know Christmas is coming up, and if you want to use them, you can. If you would like to follow me over on Instagram, as I'm doing the 25 days of Christmas over there as well, my name is @Brooke.Ellis_, and it is the exact same over on TikTok as well. They're all linked in the description down below if you are interested. Thank you so much for watching. If you are interested in some more makeup looks like this one, hit that subscribe button, and then I'll see you in my next video. Bye.